Hey everybody, Heather from Bulq on Pickin here. I've got 2 days of sales. It's been blowing out, so let's see what I sold. All right, so these are sales on Poshmark. I'm going to give you what I earned, not what it sold for, what I earned after shipping and after fees. Tell you how much I paid for it, write it on the board, and then we'll see what the total is at the end of 2 days of sales on Poshmark. So the first thing I've got is a girl's two-piece tie front bikini set, Cat and Jack 5T. I paid $1 for it out of a liquidation box. $3.25 is what I earned, so I'm at $2.25 of profit. Then the next thing I have is a bundle. It is a bundle with a women's super soft turtleneck, size small, and a new with tags Wanderer by Hottie Toddy's size small boat-necked gray tunic. So I've got both of those. Each one I invested $1 into. My earnings were $12 total, so I'm at $10 of profit on that bundle. I love bundles because it's always a good deal for the buyer, and also it seems that I make more money whenever they bundle. Then I've got a new with tags Massimo cheeky ruffled hipster bikini bottom. $4.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I invested. $3.25. A lot of you have asked, how do I get things for $1? I buy liquidation pallets that have tons of items in it, like 500 items in it. So my cost of item is cheaper just because of that. I got a Grayson's Threads vintage style t-shirt with a skull on it. $2.25. $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $1.25 for that one. Then I have a Do Not Disturb. This is my first item I sold in the home goods category. It's basically a wall art sticker decal that says Donut Disturb with donuts all over it. Love it. I invested $1 in that. $3.25 is what I earned, and so I'm at $2.25 for profits on that. Then we're going to keep on moving down here. I love these. These are amazing. Cookie Monster underwear. Those are awesome. So I have $1 invested in that, $2.25. They still have the brand new tags on them. I think I found them on the clearance rack of Walmart. So $2.25 is what I earned, $1 is what I invested, so I'm at $1.25 for those items, for that item. Then I've got a bundle of 3. Really nice bundle. I have got a sterling silver spinner ring. It's a men's size 10.5 with the word love engraved on it. I've got more of those for sale in various sizes, so check it out at my Poshmark store. The link is in the description below. If you can't find my Poshmark store, it's under @PaulHooks. Then I've got an Ava and Viv sweater, 1X, and then I've got a Daisy Fuentes 1X white scoop neck dressy tee. So I've got $1, $2, and $3 invested. $20.40 is what I earned, so I'm at $17.40 for that particular bundle. Then I've got a really pretty red dress. Actually came right out of my own closet, so I didn't invest any money. $12.60 for this Lane Bryant size 16 crisscross front dress with red lace on it. So $12.60 is what I earned, and $12.60 is what I get to keep since it came right out of my closet. I found this, I believe, at the Goodwill outlet, which was awesome. So I spent about $1 on it because it does weigh a little bit more than the average thing I found at the Goodwill outlet. So $1 is what I paid for it. $14.40 is what I earned for a canvas purse. Mona B is the name brand. So $14.40 minus that $1, so I'm at $13.40 on that one. Then I've got another red dress. It must be the season for red dresses. I've got a Jones New York 18W detailed fit and flare dress. $18.20 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid out of a liquidation box. So I'm at $16.20 on that particular dress. And then we've got, for those of you who watch my Poshmark videos, you know that I got a couple of palettes with a ton of intimates in it. So this next little section will be all undergarments, and you'll see it's because I got them for such a good price. This is a women's everyday bra, Gilligan and O'Malley, which is a Target brand. $2.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So $1.25 for that bra. And this was one of those palettes that I was talking about that had 500 items in it. Auden Underwire Racerback Bra, soft pedal pink, $5.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $4.25. So some are lower dollars, some are higher dollars, but in the long run, I make money nonetheless. Then a Warner's Cooling Wire-Free Bra, 34C, dark gray. $1.25 is when I earned, and paid $1. So I'm at 25 cents. But that's okay, because when I got that pallet, I've got some that I make $4 on, some that I make 25 cents on, some that I make $1 on, and some that I even made up to $12 or $15 on. So it all kind of comes out in the long run. We're going to wander back down this way to my, this is a really pretty dress that's cream and black. Lost my spot here. Hold on one sec. All right. A new with tags, Who What Wear, black and cream midi dress, $4.25, $2 out of a liquidation box. So I'm at $2.25 on that one. And that came from a Bulq.com liquidation box. Now these shoes, I have a bunch more of these. These are awesome. They're size 7, waterproof, cute Chelsea boots. I actually paid $7 for these because it just was one of my non-wise buys. So $7 is what I invested, $6.25 is what I've earned. And so I'm actually, yes, in the negative 75 cents. So I'm going to put down negative 75 cents. But at least I made $6.25 back. And there are other times I sell these boots for a profit. So in the long run, I think I'm going to come out ahead, but I definitely will be a little bit wiser when I purchase multiples of the same size of shoe again in the future. So a Hanny 2X beaded scoop necks comfy midi dress, $9.05, $2 out of a liquidation box. So $7.05. Had to remember what I said there for a minute. Then I have a bunch of these really cute, and these are so popular if you work in any kind of office setting or go to church or anything, or just casual. These are really cute black scrunch ballet flats by Massimo. I paid $4 for these. They're all brand new with tags on them, never been opened. $7.05 is what I earned, so I'm at $3.05 of profit on those. And so they go with any outfit, casual jeans, dress clothes, anything. And they all come with the original box. Then I've got another bundle, and as you know, I usually do pretty good on my bundles. And so I've got a long line lace push-up bra, navy blue, red boysenberry is the color here, and a black one, all Exhilaration brand, size 32 AA. $14.20 is what I earned on that one. $3 total investment for the 3 separate items, so $1 a piece. So I'm at $11.20 on that. As you can see, my numbers are adding up for 2 days of sales on Poshmark. Then I've got these cute Cat and Jack shoes. These came on a pallet with a bunch of other adult shoes, which I'm doing really well on. Those black shoes, black flats being one of them. And then I've got some kids shoes here. Kids shoes usually don't sell for a ton, but they do sell. So $4 is what I've got out of it. $7.25. $4 is what I paid for it. $7.25 is what I ended up earning for these cute little boys. Cat and Jack size 10 toddler cute little dress shoes. Perfect. And so $7.25 minus my $4, I'm at $3.25. Then, of course, I've got my Bling USA hat. Love these. Love all of them. So I've got some more on my Poshmark store, so check them out. Or you can also check them out at hookedonpickin.com. They're there as well. $10.05 is what I earned on that hat. $4 is what I paid for it from a wholesaler, brand new. So I'm at $6.05. Okay, just a few more. This is a lot of sales for 2 days. I've been really, really excited at how much everything's been moving. So these are a New Day Mohana Dorsey pointed toe ballet flats. I've got some more in stock, size 8.5. So if you're interested in these, check them out. They kind of look like a blue denim. $4.05 is what I earned. These actually came out of a liquidation box for about $2. And so I actually earned $2.05 on those pair of shoes. So that was a much better buy for me. And so I'm getting wiser in my old age. All right, then I've got a New with tags, Knox Rose, XXL floral flowing shark bite bottom dress. If you're wondering what a shark bite hem is, it's the ones that are low on the sides and they curve up in the front. And so that is $7.25. $1 is what I paid for that, so I'm at $6.25. Two more things and I'm almost done. And then we'll add it all up and see how much money we actually make. So then I have a mid-rise boyfriend tapered leg jeans, size 0, $7.25. $1 is what I paid out of a liquidation box, so I'm at $6.25. Then last but not least is another one of my intimate items. This is a women's everyday bra, true white, Gilligan and O'Malley. $8.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $7 whopping and 5 cents for that bra. So we're going to add everything up. Hopefully it's been awesome to see what I'm selling kind of at the end of summer for 2 days of sales. They've definitely picked up pace on Poshmark. All right, I've got it all added up. For 2 days of sales on Poshmark, I come out to $139.30 for 24 separate orders. That is amazing. I'm super excited. So you can make money on Poshmark. Hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold on Poshmark these last 2 days. And remember, do not disturb. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.